today's session going on very fantastic. I hope everyone will be very helpful from this video. So not to delay, let's get started from this video. Let's jump in this video. In this video, I will talk to you how can you learn, how can you read the newspaper. So I highly suggest you, if you want to improve in your English skill, you must be three rules. You must be maintain three rules. First of all, you describe your daily activities and you write your daily activities in the page. On the other hand, you will be reading the newspaper every day. This is very effective for you improving in your English skills. So just try to eat on month, then you will notice your improvement. So first of all, you will take the paper and then just read, just read. There is no reason not to accept OCAC or assistance. So don't be search the don't search one by one the meaning, just reading 20. That is very important. After 1 or 3 months later, you will be notice most of the word meanings you will learn. So this is very effective method. Sorry. So just how can you how can you how can you read the newspaper? Just read the fluently. Don't stop for you meaning the any single word. Just read it. যেমন, it is widely acknowledgement that most of Bangladesh institutions and particularly those of the accountability have become and deeply and dysfunctional at their independent and severally and promotes this process accelerated over the last few years. therefore তাই এখানে therefore so thus anyway যে কোনো কিছু দেওয়া যাবে। তো ইট ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট শব্দ আমরা সকলেই জানি। ইম্পর্টেন্ট টু স্টার্ট টু প্লাস বার করতে the infinitive. So when we are read the newspaper, then we are trying to notice every single moment how is whose grammatical rules apply this sentence. This is very effective. So in this sentence, it is very important. It means subject. It means finite verb. Very important. Important is adjective that is qualify it. That is qualify it. On the other hand, verb is qualify the adjective. That is called the adverb. Very adverb. That is very important to start the process of building and particularly so for of institution of accountability, the process and responsibility for parting the human rights. So বলা হচ্ছে যে হিউম্যান রাইটের একটা ইনস্টিটিউশন বাংলাদেশে স্থাপন করা হইতেছে। তো আমি আই হাইলি সাজেস্টেড you read the newspaper, then you don't meaning, that is no problem, but don't be stopped in your reading. Every day try to read the newspaper. That is very effective for you improving in English skills. So just try it. On the other hand, the UN human right in the office the play important role একটা হচ্ছে verbal phrase. This is verbal phrase play an important গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ভূমিকা রাখে in working to the public authority and the civil society to build a clear and common understanding about the university of the human rights. So their integration in our own nation law and police. Most of the important, the UN commission you can help us identify the care out of the measure need to ensure এখানে 2 plus bar 1, that is called infinitive. So on the other hand, that is conjunction. So that this right this plus bar 1, this is used with the plural verb. So that's why rights, These rights are enforced in the practice and also begin of the process of the change. That is called the change. So ফার্স্ট ভাগ সবাই ভালো থাকেন, আবার দেখা হচ্ছে সিউ সুন, ফার্স্ট ভাগ।